guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sherice. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share the video so we could grow, because right now we're at 117 and the goal is 10k, which is kind of a big jump, but we could do it. So I want to get right into the video. So as you guys can see, I already prepped and primed my nails off camera, and right now I'm just placing a clear coat of acrylic before I do the ombre. So now I'm beginning to place my white acrylic powder, which I got from Valentino, and I really like that powder. I'm planning on getting more because their powders are really great, but I am placing the acrylic on the tip of the nail first, and then I'm like blending it out. And I know the angle is probably janky, but I'm sorry about that. Now I'm going to be placing a small bead of Mia Secret Cover Pink on the nail, and I'm also going to be picking up some white acrylic powder so I could blend it so it could be like very seamless. And honestly, this is my first time doing acrylic nail, like not acrylic nails, but ombre, and by far this is the best that I've ever done. And if you don't know, I am practicing and I am trying to become a new nail tech. So for the for the fun part, I'm just basically going to be applying some holographic butterflies on my nails. So I'm basically picking up some clear acrylic and placing the butterflies, and I'm also like encapsulating it. So I'm doing like a holographic ombre look. I'm just encapsulating my thumb, and I thought I had more footage of me encapsulating my whole hand, but I don't. So I encapsulated all the ombre looks because when you file it down, you need to encapsulate it because you will erase all your hard work. So this is just me encapsulating my thumb. So on the next hand, I decided to do like a marble look and added some few butterflies. So I don't know if I needed to pick up more white or get another white because the white was very sheer. So I was picking up white and using the covered pinks to kind of marbleize it, but I'm practicing and hopefully I'll get better at it. But it didn't came out that bad, but you just couldn't really see the effect. So kind of give me advice. So in this clip, I'm just perfecting everything right now. So I'm just shaping down and sealing the cuticles to the nail bed, and I'm going to be shaping. So this is just me perfecting the nail. finishing up everything. I'm just polishing with clear gel polish, and I'm putting cuticle oil on the cuticles. So after that, we're done. But let me guys let me know if you guys want me to make a video without talking. Cause I know some people will enjoy a video with just me doing the nails and no talking. So let me know.